Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Morgan, the Ryker chick, and in today's video we're going to do a quick and easy install. We're going to upgrade the horn on my Can-Am Ryker. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, so in today's video we're going to be upgrading the horn on the Ryker, and if you've ever driven a Ryker or had a chance to take a look around it, you might know that the horn that comes stock on the Ryker is a little bit lacking. So we found this one. So this horn came from Le Monster Garage, and we're going to go ahead and get it installed. I think it's going to be an easy one, but we'll see how it goes. But before we get started, I just want to ask you guys to please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you have the notification bell on so you never miss a future upload. Let's get into it. So just so we can do a before and after comparison, I want to record what the horn sounds like stock on the Ryker. Here we go. So we're gonna start by removing the hood. There's two little latches right here on the side. You're gonna just slide. You're gonna pull those latches up and just slide the hood right off. So your horn is located right here, and we're just gonna get that replaced, get that swapped out with the full blast horn. So we're gonna start by loosening this bolt right here on the back side of the stock horn with this 10mm wrench. Okay, we're gonna unplug these two connectors. There you go. So here's the stock horn that we just took off, and here is the new horn. This one looks pretty serious, so let's get this one installed. So using the same wrench and the same nut that you took off of the stock horn, you're gonna just put this one right back into its place. And you see the little connector spots right here, you're gonna be able to hook that right back up. I'm gonna try my best not to drop this nut down into the engine. We're just gonna leave it loose for right now. Because this one is so much larger, you have to loosen this bolt to kind of lower this whole setup down. Otherwise, the hood won't fit back on over this whole setup right here. So for this one, we're gonna use a 13mm wrench just to loosen this up a little bit. You may have to use a pair of pliers to help hold the nut on the back side. You don't need to take it all the way off. We're just getting it a little bit loose just so we can take this arm and kind of lower this down a little bit. So there is a little bit of a lip back here, so we had to loosen it a little bit more to get the arm to go down in front of it. And my husband's holding it in place here for me. We're just gonna tighten this back up. So before we tighten it the rest of the way, we're just going to put the hood sort of back in place just to make sure that this is going to fit properly. Yep. So now we can tighten the bolt on the back side again. All right. And so now we're just going to plug the connectors back into these little prongs right here. And then put the hood back in place. There we go. Yep. All right, so now let's test out the sound of the new horn. Ready? It's pretty loud. Ready? All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. Very quick and easy install, makes a big impact. This is a very quick, simple, and affordable upgrade to make you more visible, present, and safer on the road. Once again, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love if you subscribed and became part of the Ryker Chick family. And until next time, you guys ride safe, be kind, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.